Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate tuning in once again. So we made it back from our model show from Roanoke, Virginia. I'd say I don't think I have ever been to Roanoke. I know we've been to Virginia a million times. West Virginia, Tennessee, all those places down south. We usually vacation down there a lot. I don't think I've ever been there. So nice little town. I liked it. It was a good place. The weather is great. We had good weather there and back, so it was a good ride. It was about 10.5 hours in the car, so we pushed it straight there and straight back, and that was much for me. I don't like that. But you know what? It was worth it. I didn't want to take too much time out because I want to go to Georgia, down to Acme, so that we should take a good week to go down there because we drive. So I need to save some V days at work. So I thought, oh, we're just going to go straight down, straight back. And we'll just stay down there a couple nights, and it was good. So this was at the Berglund Center down in Roanoke. Very nice place, big place. They also had a one-to-one car show upstairs. This was a multi-level building. So I got some video on that. I'll show you guys here later on another time. And that was pretty cool. So they had a really lot of nice cars upstairs. Really neat. So the model show was downstairs of the building. So my little car that I took wasn't quite as handy for me as I'd liked. But it worked out okay. So we made it. It was all right. That's okay. I still didn't have to carry him to the door because we parked quite a ways away. So that worked out all right. So I want to thank Dennis and Cheryl for putting the show on, and all the guys that helped, all the judges. Great show, and I tell you what, it was nice and smooth, in and out. We're there the amount of time that you told us we're going to be. Not that that's a big deal, because to me, model shows never long enough for me anyways. I like to chat too much with everybody, and there's just not enough time. Other than that, it was a good time. Thank you for everybody coming up saying hi. I met some new friends, some old friends, all the YouTube fellows out there. Good seeing you guys again and hanging out. That was awesome. So it was a good time. I really enjoyed myself, and great hospitality, very welcoming, and we will probably go back next year. You guys are in the area next year for the show. I recommend going. I mean, I think there was 530 maybe on the table. There's quite a few builds out there, so I mean, you get a model show that's got that many. That's a pretty nice show. Great vendor area. I didn't get any video of the vending area. I mean, a lot of times I don't because I'm too busy with everybody, chit-chatting, so I don't have time. I run out of time, let's put it that way. Yeah, so fun stuff. Other than that, picked up a couple things at the show. You probably seen the thumbnail. I only picked up 2 kits. I know, it's kind of surprising. But I'm scaling it back a little bit because I've got a lot here already, and I'm already kind of overrun in the room. I know a lot of you guys had those big, 2,000 plus kit, out there, but we're doing okay, and I'm good with what I have. So I'm appreciative of everything we have here anyway. So that works out really good. So we got a couple kits here. I'll show you what we picked up. Like I say, you probably seen them in the thumbnail. But we'll give you a little closer up depth. So Monogram 87 Buick Grand National. We picked this guy up. This is a great kit. This is a really nice builder. If you guys have never built this kit, if you can still find them around, they're getting a little harder to come by. They're out there yet. I don't know when the last release was on this. I probably could look through the box, but I don't know when it was. Anyways, great model. 2019. So, I mean, that's been some time now going on, if you think about it. So this was an open box, but I'm really good with that because inside the decals were amazing shape. I mean, they look like brand new. So I looked through it. Everything's cool. So I built one of these a while back. I got a really nice looking one on the shelf. But it's one of those, I think I could do better with it. So that's what we got this guy for. We're going to do an upgrade version. Someday. I don't know when, but one of these days we're going to do that. The other kit I picked up, the 69 Hearst Olds by AMT. Yes, so we got this bad boy here. Still sealed in the plastic. This is an older kit. This one here, I have this here. I have this here in a bag on the floor. Long story short, we had a house flood. It wasn't from natural causes. It was more of the upstairs plumbing. Ended up flooding the downstairs and into the basement, which my model kits were all at. Anyways, the boxes were floating, and decals got ruined, and instructions, everything else. The model's still in the plastic, so that was okay, but I always wanted to upgrade the kit with some different decals, and I know I could have got decals somewhere, but I got the instructions, which that's not a big deal. But this has got the pad burn tires, and I know mine didn't, so I don't even know if I have the tires for it, but everything else is here. So really cool. Even gives you a bonus sticker for the Hearst Olds. Get a decal. I almost want to open up and see what kind of decal you get. Good stuff. So that's really cool to pick that up. Other than that, we got a couple models we won from raffles. So you know what? You guys go to model shows, always buy the raffles. I mean, almost 90% of the time I always win something. You know, I usually just $20. Give me whatever I get for $20. Arm length or whatever you got to do. I don't care. And you know, that helps the model club. That helps the show. That helps pay for the, you know, the venue, putting the stuff on, pays for the kits, all that kind of stuff. It goes towards a lot of stuff. So get in on these raffles. Even if you don't win something, you know you're still supporting that club or that show. So it's worth it either way. Win or lose, it's still worth it. You still win either way because you're helping everybody out. That's why I look at it. So we got a couple there. We won 2 on that one. The wife put the tickets in for me. I didn't even know what they had. Kind of like a silent auction. Had like models on the table with bags in front of it, and I can't remember. It was like 40 models or something on the table. So we bought all these tickets, and she handed me the tickets. Just here, I put your tickets in. I thought, what'd you put them in? And she says, oh, I don't know, a couple here and there. And we had the grandson with us, and he put in a couple. And of course, we won this guy here. We go in the Weekend Warrior. I thought he put this in the thing, and he really liked it. And I said, well, maybe I'll have him come over and build it. We'll see how he likes it. But cool. I always appreciate to win this. This one comes with the tree. I didn't realize that one, so that's really cool. And maybe one day I might tackle this because I really like that in the black. This one has a lot of extra features to it too. So, but very cool. We won this kit, so I really appreciate you guys pulling my name on that one. That was awesome. And the other kit we got, now this one was worth the price of admission fee right here. We got the Mobius tow truck. Very cool. Both kits still sealed in plastic. Very nice. So that was awesome. So that was really cool to win this one as well. So very nice. I really appreciate that. So like I say, we met a bunch of people, good friends and all that fun stuff. And after the show, a bunch of us went out to dinner. We went with Dennis and Cheryl and a few others. I met Rocky at the show. Rocky, he has a YouTube channel, so him and I, we exchanged cards, shop cards. So it was great to meet you, Rocky. Kind of met him at the end of the show, so that was pretty cool. And we all went to dinner. So he has a Star City scale modeling channel. So we got his card here, so check that out. Rocky, really appreciate the card. And I also have, he also gave me one of his chips. One of his poker chips. So I thought that was super cool. It's my first poker chip. So that was awesome. So I really appreciate that. That was great hanging out with you at dinner, chatting. Looking forward to meeting you again and hanging out at another show sometime. I believe this was his hometown, if I remember him talking, saying on that. So that was really cool. So, like I say, that was really neat hanging out with him. And I think I sat next to Tim, and I can't remember the gentleman across from me. That was, we had some good conversations, so it was a good time. So very welcoming, and like I said, that good old Southern hospitality, so that was pretty cool. Other than that, we won a few awards. I don't always go to win awards, it's just, I guess I never go to win awards, but we win some, we don't. It's not a big deal. I love looking at other models on table. It shows me places that I need to improve on things. I know I need to improve in a few areas, like the engine compartment. But, yeah, so Matthew came up to me and says, hey, why don't you ever open up your engine compartments more? And I thought, well, some of them have spark plugs on it, with wires that look like a 4-year-old put them on, so I kind of keep them closed a lot of times. But other than that, a few of them are done up nice, so they look pretty good. Anyways, we won 4 awards. I got 2 third places and 2 first places, so I was pretty happy with that. Like I say, if we win some, we win some. If we don't, it's not a big deal. But it's always nice to get recognized and take something home. So it's always cool. So the first one we got is for miscellaneous. We got a 3rd in miscellaneous. This was for the Knight Rider Super Pursuit Mode car. I won just a token with that at the Saginaw show, but I really never won anything hard solid with that car. It's been a few shows. That was kind of a weird model put together, and it's one of those weird models that just don't it's hard to place it in the show somewhere, just because it's unique. You know, you almost need a TV section for some of these model shows. So that was appropriate to there. So I'll tell you, there was a guy, if you watch my video, or if you see some other videos on the show, there's a gentleman, and I apologize, I don't remember your name. He had this beautiful, I think it was season 3 kit. My gosh, the thing was just amazing. I mean, that was beautiful. Again, he had all lit, dash lit up, the TV screens lit, tail lights, marker lights. He had running lights on the front. He had the scanner on it. Just beautiful build, beautiful. Paint looked really, really nice. Just very nice build. So very, very cool. Very impressive. So that was, congrats to you on that car, because that was really nice looking. So yeah, so that was very impressive. Another one we got third place. This was for commercial and public service. So we got that guy there. This was for the Mobius tow truck. So this is the second show the truck has been to. Yeah, so I was happy to get that with that. So appreciate that very much. We got a couple first places here. This one was for Rust and Dust. So yeah, we took the old snowplow down there, and we got a first with the snowplow. So that was really cool to get that. I'm probably going to retire the snowplow after this weekend show down in Hilliard, Ohio. We're going to be down there. So you guys are in the area, stop in. I'd like to chat with you and say hi or whatnot. So like I say, I may take it to shows, just not enter it. It's won a few awards, and I don't want to be that guy, just take it and get something. And like I said, I didn't build it for an award winner or nothing like that, because there's a lot of spots on the truck that could be improved. It was just kind of one of my first attempts at heavy rusting and rotting out. So we're going to do another one. So I'm going to put that one away. Like I say, I may take it to shows, but it might not get entered. It'll just be there for the display or whatnot. Because it is kind of cool. Look, it's just different. A lot of work goes into those rusting out trucks or any vehicle. So you guys that do rusting and effects, man, it's a lot of work, isn't it? I thought, whew, it's just a lot. So the other one I got first place was box stock. You guys know I'm a big box stock builder. I like box stock stuff. To me, I don't know why. I just like it. Build it like the box, and okay, let's move on to the next one. I guess I feel like I'm more of a, let's get this one done, let's move on to the next one. Like it's yeah, so I don't have time to sit there and modify it. I'll do certain things here and there. I'll detail an engine once in a while, but not too much further than that. Maybe different wheels and tires, BMF, all that fun stuff. But yeah, so thank you so much for that, guys. I really appreciate that. That was very humbling to get that, especially with all the other nice, beautiful looking models on the table. A lot of talented builders out there. So that was really cool. Other than that, guys, I think that's about, so when I was going through my kits, putting this stuff together to go to the show, I thought I had a couple other cards in my box. I wasn't sure, but I thought I had some. So I apologize to Paul and Phil. I had their cards in my underneath my instructions in my other boxes, and yeah, so I've got them. So I, like I say, I apologize for not showing them earlier. So this is Paul's channel for Styrene Relics. So I really appreciate that, Paul, for the card. Thank you for giving that to me. And like I say, once again, sorry for not getting that out there earlier. But I have it, so that was awesome. So you guys, go check out these guys' channels. I'll have links in the description below for Rocky's channel, Paul's, and also for Phil's channel at Horton's Hot Rods. Phil, thank you so much for the card as well. I like these hand-done cards. I think that's so cool. That's really personal. I like that. Thanks for the words on the back. Really appreciate it. So Paul and Phil, they don't live that far from me. Phil's just about, I don't know, a little over half hour from me. He's not that far, but I've been to Phil's house a few times. Phil has an amazing collection, and he does a lot of builds. So go check that out, along with go check out Rocky's channel. So I got the card from Rocky as well. Thank you for that, and like I say, that was awesome. I tell you, Rocky had this really, really nice Chevy on the table. Rocky's a Chevrolet guy, so which is very cool. And he had this beautiful Chevy truck on the table. I mean, that was just very nice. Like, it's kind of a off greenish, kind of tannish green color. Very sharp, very good build. So go check out his channel. He's got a lot of nice builds out there. So really cool to go see those. So other than that, guys, I think that's all I got. So if you guys are in Hillard, Ohio this weekend, yeah, get with me. Let's chit chat. So let's talk some models or whatnot. Once again, guys, I'll see you guys next video at the next show. So you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.